The stock market crashed once again. It's crashing left and right. We'll have many days that's bloody red, and we'll have a couple of days that's positive. And if you just go back a year ago, you can see the swings were going all the way to the left, then all the way to the right, and now you're seeing more swings to the left, which is the negative versus the positive. Okay, so what's really happening? Well, it's pretty simple. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to realize that we don't have a free market, and the market is being manipulated by the Fed. They can make the market boom, they can make the market crash, and that's the end of the story. So it's kind of like a casino effect. People are not getting rich because they're buying good stocks that have, good products, good services with low debt, and they're highly profitable. People are just buying stuff because it's a trend, it's a hype, you can just make money by just buying something, okay? Because the stock market just keeps going up and up, the assets just keep going up and up and up because of all the manipulations that the Fed has done. So we're in a situation right now that I believe that no matter what the Fed does, there's going to be massive pain for you and I, because no matter how much manipulation they do, this time is different because the underlying commodities, the underlying raw resources of the world are being controlled by other countries that are not being affected by our sanctions, are not being affected by all the money printing. However, the Fed can create artificial booms and busts, but this time is different because no matter what they do, they're not going to be able to curb the booms and the busts because the underlying commodities are not being produced by us. It's being produced by other countries that we're currently having conflicts with. And that's what the problem is. When the underlying assets are there, when the underlying commodities, the underlying raw resources are there, then the Fed can manipulate the markets. However, when the underlying assets or commodities are not there, I should say assets, and commodities like the rice, the fuel, the gas is not there, it doesn't matter if they're lowering interest rates or they jack up the interest rate. It doesn't matter if they print a whole lot of money, no money. Because what's backing that stuff, when you trade your money, you trade it for, some oil or gas, a gallon of gas. Well, the gas is not going to be there, right? So it doesn't matter what they do, this time it's going to be different because no matter what they do, they're only controlling the layer 2 of the market, which is the financial system. And the layer 1 is controlled by China, it's controlled by Russia, and these countries that have the raw material and the countries that sell the raw material into an end product like your bicycle, like your computer. All right, guys, thanks so much for clicking the like button. Love to hear your thoughts below. Don't take no for an answer. Always remember you're greater than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Peace. Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.MrNoFluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.